tear down that wall.
10 seconds.
Bet they'll never ask for a rotate again, that's for sure.
Down to 5 seconds.
And then we break the hatch, so you can't even run through there.
Bomb located.
What is this
I should
idiot?
kill this guy. I was about to shotgun you so quick. Alright. Okay, wait, I was joking, but now I can't. Can you not reinforce broken hatches?
No.
No.
Not broken hatches.
Alright guys, be careful, there's a hatch open in the middle of the floor.
Oh, you got Buck? Okay.
Somebody's inside sight with me.
Which site?
Okay, he's gone.